Hi everyone, in this video we will be discussing about Teemyco, which is the best virtual collaboration tool. So before we dive in, you can access the link in the description to simply get yourself extended free trial as well exclusive bonuses. Now jumping onto the platform, you can see I have already created an account and an automatic virtual workspace is created in here. So now if you're thinking about what is this all about, everything is basically virtual workspace, and if you want to join them you can simply click on these, and what it will be doing that it will be simply entering your ID into this one using your microphone. So you will be joining, let's say you want to join meeting room red, and once you click on that it will be asking for your microphone permission and you will be entered into this platform called meeting room red. And you can see currently a person is joined onto this part. I can join him by simply clicking, of course. So it is really amazing. Now if you want to invite your team in here, you can do that by clicking on this invite option. You can invite your teammates or guests. So you can also customize your workspace as well, and you can see we have this option of lobby in here, and we have this room wall. You can also modify the link which everyone can access. Also you can add your images. Now on the left side of your screen you can see your members menu. So if you want to add your members you can do that in here. You can add your chat, so you can have a chat as well. And this is basically moves to the kitchen. So basically this is another option. So now talking about the main workspace, it is basically based on various workspaces, like for example we have our do not disturb, we have co-working and many others. So you can literally join any of these. So if you click on these three dots on workspace, you can see you have option to copy link to this room, so you can send that and a user will directly be joined into this session. You can also book this room, you can manage the room. So if you click on that you can see you have the name, personal desk, meeting room, video call enabled, and allow guests to access, that is enabled as well. So you can totally control that. So yeah, that is it for this platform. Now talking about Teemyco's reviews, you can head over to that and see. You can see fantastic product, exactly what we needed. I know it brings us together from across the states, and a fantastic option for modern world. So modern problems require modern solution, and if you want to try out Teemyco, you can access the link in the description to simply get yourself extended free trial as well exclusive bonuses. Thank you so much and see you guys in the next video.